How are you? I hope you are fine and you should make conscious about your health. Every day you must clean your hands by using hand wash and hand sanitizer. When you are going outside, you must wear mask and you must make a social distance. Today I am going to teach you New Oxford Modern English topic preposition, page number 23. Before going through this subject matter, you have to know parts of speech. Actually, preposition is included in the parts of speech. Parts, P-A-R-T-S, of speech, S-P-E-E-C-H, parts of speech. There are total 8 parts of speech. How many? 8 kinds of parts of speech. I am telling noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. So today we will learn preposition. Look at the word preposition. Pre means before. B-E-F-O-R-E. Before. Position means place. Position indicates place. Means before the place of noun or pronoun, or before the position of noun or pronoun. So, students, now look at the pictures. In first picture, see the nest. This is a tree. The nest is on the tree. I am writing the N-E-S-T. Nest is on the tree. T-O-E-E. Tree. This is chocolates, and chocolates are on the plate. The chocolates are the C-H-O-C-O-L-A-T-E-S. Chocolates are A-R-E are on the plate. P-L-A-T-E. Plate. Next, these are the oranges. The oranges are the oranges. O-R-A-N-G-E-S. Oranges are in the bag. In the bag. B-A-Z. Bag. And this is cat. The cat is the C-A-T. Cat is on the mat. On the mat. M-A-T. Mat. Just look at the words on. Here also on, in, on. The nest is on the tree. Where is the nest? The nest is on the tree. This on shows the location or the place of the nest. The chocolates are on the plate. Where are the chocolates? The chocolates are on the plate. This on also shows the place or position or location. The oranges are in the bag. See, this also in shows the where the oranges. The oranges are in the bag. The cat is on the mat. Means the cat who is sitting on the mat. So this on, in, on. This shows the location or place. For that we are telling these are called preposition. Okay. So now I am writing the definition of preposition. What is WH-A-T word is preposition. P-R-E-P-O-S-I-T-I-O-N. What is preposition? Students, note down it in your copy. What is preposition? Preposition P-R-E-P-O-S-I-T-I-O-N. Preposition is a word, W-O-R-D, word used U-S-E-D, used before, B-E-F-O-R-E, before noun, N-O-U-N, noun, or pronoun, P-R-O-N-O-U-N, pronoun, to show S-H-O-W. So the relation R-E-L-A-T-I-O-N, relation with the other words W-O-R-D-S, words in a sentence, S-E-N-T-E-N-C-E, sentence. Preposition is a word used before noun or pronoun to show the relation with the other words in a sentence. Okay, so this is the definition of preposition. Now take out your New Oxford Workbook, page number 22. This is New Oxford Word Workbook. So in this book you have to write sentence, use are, in or on. Means here given the pictures. By seeing picture you have to write the sentences. It is means related with preposition. So this is your home task. So first look at the picture. Nest, this is tree. So the nest is on the tree. Flowers, this is box. The flowers are in the box. This is table. These are the cakes. The cakes are on the table. These are the chocolates. This is a plate. The chocolates are on the plate. These are the oranges. This is a bag. The oranges are in the bag. And these are the cats. The cats are on the mat. So this is your home task. That is page number 22. This is New Oxford Workbook. And your New Oxford Primer textbook. There we have this one we have completed. The apples are in the box. Means here they are given already the task to understand the topic. The cakes are on the table. See, the sweets are in the jar. And the nuts are on the plate. And here phonic practice. Phonic practice means you have to tell these words with correct pronunciation. Your pronunciation should be improved. Fit. See, double E. They are using the sound double E. Fit. Will. Be. Tree. Knee. Okay. So students, today after this, and you must do homework in your workbook. Today, thank you.